In this video, you'll learn how to start selling on eBay. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set up your seller account, prepare items for sale, and create a listing that attracts buyers. Begin by navigating to the eBay website in your preferred web browser. If you do not have an account, locate and click the register button, which is usually found at the top left corner of the homepage. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the registration, you may need to verify your email address by clicking on a verification link sent to your inbox. Once your account is created, log in and complete your profile information. This includes entering your payment and payout details, which are essential for receiving payments from buyers. To enhance security, verify your phone number by following the on-screen prompts. Next, navigate to the account settings section to set your seller preferences. Here, you can specify your shipping location and return policy. It is crucial to review eBay's seller rules and fee structure to understand any costs associated with. After your account setup is complete, you can begin selecting items to sell, choose products that are in good condition, and comply with eBay's selling policies. Conduct research on similar items that have been sold to estimate a competitive price. Clean and organize your items to ensure they look appealing. Take clear photos from multiple angles in well-lit environments, as this will help potential buyers evaluate your product. Document accurate details about the item's condition and features to include in your listing. Next, it's time to create and publish your listing. Click the Sell button, which can typically be found on your eBay homepage. This action opens a new listing form. Begin by entering a clear title that contains keywords buyers are likely to search for. Upload the photos you took earlier and write a detailed description that highlights the item's features and condition. Set a competitive price based on your earlier research and select your preferred shipping options. Before finalizing, review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. After confirming that all information is correct, click the List Item button to publish your listing. This action makes your item live and available for buyers to purchase. Keep in mind that larger files or numerous images may take some time to upload, depending on your internet speed. Additionally, regularly check your eBay account for any notifications regarding your listings or sales. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.